I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a good weekend. All right. Let me. Oh man, gotta send out my Zoom. Yeah, forgot. Give me a second, YouTube. Yeah.
Recording in progress.
Let's have some music going.
I'm not off the juice, baby, but I walk in a room and I'm stumbling. Losing the news, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the top down in the Aston. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and your fashion. Or we could fit a drink in a space on your passport. Driving to your place with the brace on the dashboard. Straight to the jeweler from the bank. Take that chance, to mama. Spin around, drop to your dance, to mama. Bottle in the booth, get the check at aroma. Beat it up, got the pussy in a coma. I don't understand how you moving that way. Giving you my all, hero day or for the day. Purple city tough, yeah, you could've had a VA. Shorty, I'm all you need, yeah, but I'm gonna lose my self-control. I'm not off the juice, baby, but I walk in the room and I'm stumbling. Cruising the nose, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the top down in the Aston. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and your fashion. Or we could fit a drink in a space on your passport. Driving to your place with the brace on your
Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Ali, Evans, Tyler. Good morning.
Baby, but I walk in a room and I'm stumbling. Losing the news, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the top down in the Aston. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and your fashion. Or we could fit a drink in a space on your passport. Driving to your place with the brace on the dashboard. Straight to the jeweler from the bank.
Good morning, Zoom. How you guys doing? So, good morning. So it looks like London session doesn't open until. See, we got 1 hour and 20 minutes left.
Yeah, you've got an hour early. So I was wondering whether was that intentional or.
It's because I already, scheduled to be here at 1:30, so that's why.
And future going tomorrow or not? And you continue the rest of the week like that?
For now, I'm probably gonna start streaming at 2 a.m. CST because London session doesn't open until 3 now.
Yeah. Unless if you want to trade the Frankfurt.
Pre-London.
You know, the 1 hour before London.
Yeah. Yeah. GJ should be nice for buys, even with all this stuff to the left. We'll see.
Yeah, so that if it breaks those minor highs, internal highs, whatever.
If you look at the 4 hour, we've been failing to break this low of here. 181.016. We've been failing to break below it. Each time we get there, we just keep rejecting it. And this minor resistance at 182.587, if we can break above that, then yeah, we should go back up to 183.823. Looking for buys. So even though the 15-minute doesn't, it's kind of clean, but not really the best. I'm expecting it to go all the way up. Still bullish overall.
Yeah.
Let's see. Go to the other hand. Should come down and fill this gap before we push back up.
Yes, I mean, it's a big gap to fill though.
But if it breaks this minor low here in the 15-minute, we might get a retest. But I would like this thing to close strongly below 1997.045 and preferably pull back to a level of supply before it continued to fill up the gap.
That'll be good. We're looking at that first earlier, the recent 15-minute supply.
Yes.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma throw that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. And we going and going and going. It's a good night, baby, let it roll like the good times.
So we'll see what gold does here.
It's breaking.
Not yet. Good morning, Justin.
Tell the gang I'm out, call a lift up, lift you up. I go to town, stay for a while. They try to ball, I hold it down. I'm playing center, but you the center of attention. I know you get the message, and the way I'm focused where the lens is. Custom made for me the metric, show you fit right in the schedule. And girl, you fit like Lululemon. And yeah, I'm lost for words. Tell me who's falling first, no mistakes. Girl, you crossing me, what's got it work? Going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like a good time. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you.
You know the stuff, I mean, that we did on Saturday.
Huh?
The session we had on Saturday
Yeah.
was very, very good. I found it very good. I was reflecting yesterday, and looking at the importance of understanding what is going on a higher time frame, especially when you have mixed trends, in higher time frame and lower time frame.
Yeah.
and I've been making a lot of mistakes with counter trends on lower time frame using a Fibonacci. And you know, just thinking one direction and things happen and I get confused. But now I think I'm much more clear now.
That's good. Man, I slept real good yesterday, man. You wake up until 1. I just woke up like 45 minutes ago. Now I'm good to go for the week.
Yep.
Trading on news day? News? What do you mean? What do you mean I'm trading on news day? What news? Today is good. The New York session, we don't even have high impact news. I don't know what you're talking about. I think even now, London session, we got Euro news. We got Euro news at 3 a.m. CST, and that's it.
Will the New York session remain at the same time or it also move by 1 hour?
No, the United States time hasn't moved.
Okay.
So it's still the same time. I'm gonna put a wall clock up here in my office and set it to London time. If GJ breaks 181.016, it should come back down to this low, man. And if finally if we can fill up this wick. Since London session doesn't open until 3, I guess some people are like, shoot, we got time, more time to sleep. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna start at 2 a.m. CST. Until we get our daytime savings. So I think in London, I think their time went back, but here it's like it went forward for us. Because if it went back for us, then London would have been open right now. But it doesn't open until 3. As in London right now is 6:53, so let's just say 7 in London right now, and it's 1:53 here, so let's just say 2 o'clock. So London doesn't open until 1 hour from now. Good morning, well, am I CST. My time zone is CST. If euro has high impact means it won't affect pairs like gold or GJ. That has happened, but it doesn't happen all the time. It's the freaking USD that affects everything. USD high impact news affects everything. Like I didn't even know like the time went back in the UK until Gbpjpy said it on Discord.
Oh, we mentioned it in the webinar.
Oh, we did?
Yeah,
Oh. See, I don't
right at the end
remember.
of the webinar, we are talking about it.
Oh, I don't even remember. If I remembered, I would have started at 2 a.m. See, maybe even 2:30.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be pre-London, right?
Yeah. So, shit, we're just gonna be here chilling.
All right.
How is the timing affecting you, Wal?
I don't think he heard you.
Wal, on your side there, how is the timing affect you? Is it too early for you as well?
It's just an hour later in the day, so no difference. Only difference is if New York
You
goes
finish
even
much
later.
later.
Oh yeah, that's fine. It's only New York that bothers me. New York's
Yeah.
like into midnight.
Man. But man, if it set up happens here with gold, we might trade London today. Because either way, whether this thing want to give us a sell setup or a buy setup, both of them looks good. Gold setup today looks good. GG on the other hand, yeah, I'm gonna need a new demand to be formed before I take a buy position on GJ. I'm expecting this thing to go back to these minor highs. Every time it gets to 181.016, it's been failing to break it. And you know, if we failing to break below its support multiple times, there's a higher chance price is gonna push up on there. GJ has good consolidation on the 15 minute. If it ships to the lows, you can take longs. Let's see. You can take longs to liquidity. You mean liquidity? Yeah, I can't. I'm missing like the last. Okay, liquidity from the consolidating highs. Yeah, if they grab liquidity below the lows, then yeah. But if it close strongly below 181.016, I'm gonna look for sales. because the way I mark up my zones, my support and resistance zones, I know a lot of people like to use the body. I don't use the body. I use the wicks. So if it closes strongly below the major support right there, I'm definitely gonna be looking for sets. You see how I have my support here? A lot of people will mark this and then they will see this as a break. As a break. Like, I don't know how this is a break when you have all these freaking wicks down here. It's just telling you that price got there. Actually, we rejected from there. We just did not close there. So if you're using the body like this, man, you might be getting faked out. So you use the wicks. So if they should close strongly below 181.016, I'll be looking for sales. And down here too, a lot of people will mark this like this. Oh, that's the support right there. Like, what happened to when price, this bearish candle came down and rejected down here at 178.104? What happened to that? The move we had to the upside started from down here when we had this rejection. So this is your major low down here on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, this low here that we have looking at right now is just a minor low. On the 15 minute, it is a major low. Yeah, Jawad, exactly. Oh, Anton, you took sales on UJ? How long did it take me to turn profitable? It took me like 2.5, man. Let's just say 3. Let's just round it up to 3. And I know why it took me that long. Number one, it took me that long because I did it on my own. That's number one reason. Number 2 reason is that my psychology was messed up from the beginning. Should have started with a live account instead of started with a freaking demo. And now in that 3 years though, like, I wouldn't say I was just losing money, losing. You know, finally I became profitable, but I wasn't consistent. You feel me? I wasn't consistent. Now, the reason why I wasn't consistent was this. My psychology, this. My greed was there 100%. FOMO, 100%. Emotions, 100%. Like, everything. Psychology was just messed up. That was the issue I had. A lot of you, probably a lot of traders, their main issue is this. Trading psychology. If you're making money, but you're not doing it consistently, there's a higher chance that it is your trading psychology that's the issue. Now, what the issue you're having in regards to your trading psychology, that's where you now need to figure out, is it my discipline? Is it my trading plan? Is it my greed? Is it my emotions? You got to figure that out. Once you figure that out, then you can focus on working on that one thing, because you don't want to be all over the place, right? You don't want to be all over the place, because if you're all over the place, then you're just gonna keep prolonging your journey. You're gonna keep prolonging the process. So it's always good to figure out what your problem is, what issues you're having in regards to trading. Whatever it is, you need to figure it out. Once you figure it out, you'll be able to focus and work on that one thing. If it's 2, you'll be able to focus on 2. If it's 3, you'll be able to focus on it. You don't want on those 3 things. So you don't want to be all over the place. So you can, shorten your journey. Okay. Thank you, Jawad. Good morning, Adnan. Oh, you're UJ sales. Nice, Anton. Wow, you still here?
Yep.
When did I mention that I'll be starting the 1K challenge next year? Did I mention it 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, you said start of the year?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago was the first time I said it, right? Or was it 3?
Yeah, about no, probably like 2 weeks ago, yeah.
Okay. I was just trying to make sure. So those of you in YouTube, we are going to be doing a 1K challenge next year, starting from January. Now, I don't have like a set target, right? I don't have like a set target. I just want to see how far I can take a 1K account, for the whole year, for the rest of 2024. So that's what we're doing, and we're starting in January. So if you're interested in that, then you're welcome to join us in the private Discord. It's a mentorship program, but we, take trades live together, London and New York, and we have our weekly webinars on Saturdays. So our challenge is going to start January. And this year, I'm going to stop trading on December 22. I don't know what day that falls to this year, but let me see. Okay, it's on a Friday, December 22. I'm going to stop trading until January. Then I'll be back January 8. Actually 9. Yeah, January 9. 8 or 9. I've not made a decision yet because this next year, January 9 is on a Tuesday. So I might start on Monday, January 8. Yeah.
Make it the 8th, man. It's already too late.
No, because I like to give the market like a week after the New Year's. That's what they like to do. Some people will be back like on the 3rd, the 5th.
Yeah.
Ah, you thought that was going to be, you thought that was going to be Santa? "30-minute closure is not bad, so we are going to mark up. Because if he pushes up from here, I'm not even going to look into take buys. Didn't even get to level of demand, so. You got a 5-minute demand sitting here though.
Gold.
Same thing with gold.
Yeah, it's bouncing off the 5 on gold.
Let's go take a look. Oh yeah. Yep. So now we know. Now I'm thinking it's gonna hold. I mean, it's a clean demand though, I ain't gonna lie.
It's kind of weird one because it's in the middle of nowhere.
It is clean though, and structure is bullish.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go first with this momentum.
Yep.
Yeah. Because we have a bearish momentum now. So we're gonna go with that. Now we know that gold is bullish, but we got a bearish momentum and also a possible sell setup, yeah. So we'll see if that's gonna happen. Really is the cock block demand for breakout traders. Oh yeah. Hey, Jose, how you doing? Come on, guys, smash the like button. Let's smash the like button. Let's get this to 100 likes real quick before London session opens. I'm not using Launchpass anymore for the private Discord. The platform I'm using now, I believe you can even give me a review. I think. You just gotta read the description. You just swept lows and flipped. No, it's not enough because it's not breaking below a 15-minute major low here, so there is a 5-minute demand there, but I'm just gonna wait for a 15-minute demand setup here. Yeah, you swept these lows though. I see what you're saying you want, but I need to sweep a major low, not this minor low here. Yes, Edwin. You know what you can do on your phone? Just go to the word clock on your phone. I don't know if Android has it, but on iPhone you can do that. Just go to the word clock. You know when London opens.
That's actually a good idea.
When I saw the message from Gbpjpy on Discord, that's what I had to do. Because it said it went back an hour. So I was like, oh, well, I guess London opens at 1 a.m. my time now. But when I looked at the word clock, I'm like, no, it doesn't open until 3.
Yeah, it gets confusing. It's like goes
What-
back 1 hour, but it's forward 1 hour for us.
Yeah, it's I'm like, what the hell? it's weird. So it went forward for in Australia too for you guys.
Yeah, because they're going back an hour, so it's forward for everyone else 1 hour.
Huh. That's interesting. Thoughts on GU, man. I don't want to hear nothing about GU, please. That pay has been divorced. For whatever reason, GU just does not want to mess with me anymore. So, I'm like, well, I ain't gonna mess with you either. Shit. GU does not like me. I'm only messing with pairs that, mess with me, that likes me. Yep, for sure. I got divorced with GU. Do I think someone can get 90% win rate? Yes. I mean, for 1 week, if you only took 2 trades, I mean, or 3, you won 2 and lose 1. I mean, that's 90. Does not matter how many trades, as long as you make money. I also believe you can actually take, we've done it here a lot of times. You can actually take 10 trades and win 9, or even win all 10. So it's not for a year. It's possible. It's possible, especially if you're taking less trades, right? Maybe 1, 2 maximum. 2 maximum every day. Yeah, 90% is possible. Yeah, if you're doing 1-to-1, that is even easier. Yep, there you go, Anton. Nothing is impossible. Now, if you come to me and say, 100%, man, I will even freaking punch you in the face. Because that part is impossible. I don't give a damn. If somebody tells me they have 100% win rate, man, I'm gonna need you to prove it to me. Prove it to me, and then, man, I'll pay you whatever you fucking want. Because I want that 90% to win rate too. What you doing, I need you to teach me. But nope, of course they can't do that because 100% win rate is a lie. It's not possible. That part is impossible. It's crazy. Even though I believe nothing is impossible, but in trading, that 100% win rate, it's not possible. For sure.
Nothing's impossible. I have 100% win rate. Don't make me punch you in the face. What?
The difference between the percentage win rate and the percentage profit.
Yeah, there's a difference. Yeah, for sure, there's a difference.
So you can have 80% win rate, but if you have high leverage, you may end up with 100% profit.
Yeah. Oh, you're in a toxic relationship with Gia? Man, you need to get out. Pack all your load and run. What did you say, Wow?
I said Kim. He's right. Nancy Pelosi. Apparently, she's like always right with the stocks. If she buys it, it goes up miraculously.
So yeah, maybe I need to go work for Nancy then.
It helps when you're. What is she? She's like some government person, right?
I'll be like, just let me be your bodyguard. I'll work for free. Best investor ever.
Life's easy when you make the laws.
You have a higher win rate, but you're down 3%. What's the win rate you have? Do you have over 60?
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the
Because if you, so now the truth is that when it comes to risk to reward,
don't be afraid of the dark.
let me do this real quick. So when you have a negative risk to reward after all, based on my experience, when it comes to your win rate, you need to have at least 70%. 70. You need to have at least 70% if you have a negative after all. If you have less than 70%, whether it's in a week, in a month, that week is either you're gonna be at break even or you'll be at a loss, depending, how high your negative risk to reward is, right? But if you have a positive, that's why we have more risk to reward ratio traders than we have, less positive, negative after all. So now, when you have a positive risk to reward, depending on how high your risk to reward ratio is, which is risky because you're not even gonna get it all the time, but let's say you do, and you have a positive L2R, depending on how high it is, you can have a 40 and still be profitable. That's the only issue right there. That's why if you know how to trade, negative L2R is just easy. Because you're in and out. You're in, you get your money, bam, you're done. You get your money, you're done. If you trade in that way, then you need to have at least 70% win rate. At least a 70. If it's below 70, nah. So that's the difference. But a lot of risk to reward ratio traders just have this belief that if you have a negative risk to reward, you you suck. You don't know how to trade. For October, you have a 60% win rate. Yep, that's why. That is why. And when it comes to negative risk to reward, depending on what your target is, let's say your target is 1-to-1, right? Sometimes you get the 1-to-1, sometimes you won't, right? Or maybe it's 1-to-2, your final TP. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. Or you just target the 1-to-1. Like, no, if you don't get that 1-to-1, you're not gonna get out. All you're gonna do is just move stops to BE, and then you can do that as well. But for me, I prefer at least securing, putting some money in my pocket and let my trade run to the 1-to-1. Doing it that way, sometimes I will get the 1-to-1 and sometimes I won't. So that's it. GG might finally break these lows. Yeah, rolling King. I got him here, come. According to this, if London is open, that's not right. It says it opens at 2. I guess I gotta change the settings for this for the session. For the session.
Yeah.
I guess I gotta put it at -1.
Oh no, don't change that. Just go to the London part.
Oh, I shouldn't change that?
Yeah, just change that to 9.
Oh, okay.
And you should be good.
Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. I think it's good now. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's good now. Let me get to it on gold. Alright. Let's see, we'll sell time on gold.
BJ.
I mean GJ. If the 1 hour closes below, I might even start off with the 1 hour supply. So we see. See if the 15 is gonna close.
I don't think so, Edwin. I mean, if it breaks this area, you gotta imagine it's coming down hard. We've tested this area so many times.
Uh-oh. What's the 15-minute doing? Doesn't want to close below? No EM. London opens in 22 minutes. Oh, you're right. Well, for telling me not to change the GMT settings, because because New York session is still the same.
Yeah, that's the problem. I think that's that's why all those different indicator market sessions have issues. It's probably like all these time zones and daylight savings and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Uh-oh. It's not looking good on the 15.
Baby, I'm done. I'm so sick and tired of the way you just run. Say it takes two when you build that trust. I feel alone in the so-called love. I said, Shawty, I'm done. Driving on this one-way road. Even with you, I'm alone. Trying to find my way back. When I move ahead, you stay back. Baby, I know we get lost. Love is always worth that cost. And I was playing my part. But now I let go. I said, baby, I'm done. I'm so sick and tired of the way you just run. Say it takes two when you build that trust. I feel alone in the so-called love. We just want with love. Just want with love. I just want with love. Whatever I do, try to love it too, but it's not enough. Oh no, no. We just want with love. I go Saudi, I'm leaving. Like it's falling New England. Always change like the seasons, just to please you. Now I'm over the pressure, feeling under the weather, but I won't second guess it when I leave you. I decided the reasons that I swear that you evil. Let's see other people. We don't need us a sequel, cause I got options all around and will take my love. Got these proud of the way you just run. Say it takes two when you build that trust. I feel alone in the so-called love. I said, baby, I'm done. I'm so done. I'm so done.
That means, man, hopefully we won't be here for long when London opens. Oh, no music? All this time. Dang, why didn't you guys say nothing?
Even noticed.
You didn't notice?
Yeah. Nah, I think it was Bonnie Savage and a few others. There are singers.
And Terry, I think Terry was singing too. Is he here? Let me see. Oh, he's not here. Probably sleeping. He can sing you a song.
I'll spare you, man. I'll spare you.
Yeah, Bunny, sing for us. I'll stop this song that's playing. I used to sing too. In my early 20s. Yeah, good is at a 5-minute demand, but I don't see it holding. Because of the momentum and broke below that low. See, now it's kind of like we're testing it now to continue dropping. If it breaks below this low here, it's bullish candle low, it should drop. And unfortunately, that means we just gonna have to wait for the buyers. So we should hold this with this demand here. It's on a mission right now. Good is on a mission to fill this gap. Well, no break below this support yet. Rejected it. Possibly. But be careful. You see how we grab liquidity below this low, previous low here earlier on, and then it came back down. So the setup we have now, if we don't break below this support, I'm not looking to take sales. And even if we start pushing up, rejecting this support, I'm not looking for buys until it breaks this supply. It breaks that supply, then if a demand is formed, wait for price to pull back to the demand, however small or big it is, and the continuation. Remember the webinar we did on Saturday, so you know. I don't think GJ is gonna close below. We'll see. Oh, NAS made a move. Tell you when the demand here though. I'll use that one. I don't think it's gonna pull back up from there. Not clean at all. Like this one. It's the zone. That is the possible buy zone for me on GJ. Alright, so now we have where we can take a buy, and we have where we can take a sell, possibly. Where's our old lady talking about faith? She's not here today. Are we close to taking a trade on GJ? Possibly, we'll see. In order for us to take a trade on GJ, if we have a closure below this support, then we need this, and then take a sell, or we need this. Since we are falling, if we close below, then we're gonna need this. All right. These are the two possible scenarios. Shit, is that the right word? See, I don't know. But anyways, this is the sell setup I was looking for, and for buyers, I needed to come back down to this demand to look for buyers. On the 30-minute, the supply is there. 15-minute, not really, because you really didn't have that gap because of the way this candle closed here on the 15-minute. So that's one of the reasons why I do this supply on the 30. And then on the 1 hour, I'll even use the one, start off with the 1 hour. I'm just waiting to see if we are going to close below here on the 1 hour. Because you have only 1 hour price closing below this minor low and then a major low, and even though it's one candle, it's still a supply because it's an engulfing candle basically. How did you want to leave us? Gold is dropping. So while we're waiting here, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back. Smash the like button while I'm gone, guys. I mean, when I get back, I want to see us at 100 likes at least. I want to see us at 100 likes at least. I'll be back.
Sick of all the same dudes running up. Follow you around, hope you fall in love. They don't see you like I do, yeah. All your friends, they see it too. That I'm the one who looks you in the eye. Speaking like I mean it, what's inside, know these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one step ahead of you, holding open doors when you're walking up. Cause they don't see me like you do, yeah. There's nothing I won't do for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be whatever you need from me. I'll be, even when it's hard, just know I'll be holding it together, girl, you know that's on me. Yeah, I'm the one who looks you in the eyes, speaking like I mean it, what's inside, know these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough.
Alright, London is open. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this 1 hour supply here. Alright, good. I think this is the beginning of decline, son, girl. No, not yet. I don't think so. You know what? I'm gonna start doing this so people will just know what I'm looking for.
Maybe mom and dad were right when they told me this wouldn't be nothing. Maybe I should take their advice, go get a life, maybe get a job or something. Pack it up and head back home.
We miss all three setup and good.
Maybe I'll just get out my head and
There's no setup yet as of right now. Can I explain why traders will trade for 5 years using one? Can I explain why traders will trade for 5 years still using one lot, and traders like Danvo or Doyle in 2 to 3 years are very profitable using 30 lots? Maybe using the same strategy. I mean, it depends on how much you have in your account. And then so you can look up to other traders that you see that are successful in this industry, but don't compare yourself to them. Don't compare yourself to them. Because you're not them. Everybody's journey is different. Everybody's time is different. You can look up to them, but don't compare them to yourself. Check gold. I don't see no entry yet. In order for me to take a setup here on gold, this is what I'm looking for. As I'm a supply and demand trader. So for sales, this is what I am looking for. And for buys, this is what I am looking for. Alright? I'm expecting it to push back up once we get back to this demand. If it doesn't give me the setup I'm looking for sales and nothing, I'm not taking anything. It's that simple. Basically, GJ and gold actually look the same. Like it's like the same setup. In regards to setup, it's the same. I'm looking for sales, and I know where I'm going to take buys as well. I'm not going to use the 15 minutes of buy. You don't have it yet. Plus, where we're at right now, I would rather wait for it to pull back to the supply up here. I'll just come back to the demand for me to take buys. Right now, I'm not looking to take sales here. So got a lot of waiting to do here. Let me put that here. Oh, no. Let me copy that. Not sure. Yeah, we still don't have 100 likes. Huh. Patience. Trading 0.50 on US30 has allowed you to make a profitable paycheck every week. That's nice. issue with GG today is hopefully she doesn't freaking act like Friday when we waited for this freaking sale that eventually happened. And then when he finally gave it, he didn't even get to a level of supply and just
Oh yeah.
rejected and fell.
Man, we waited patiently for that one.
We sure did. What do I think of GG now? I mean, I'm still waiting for the sales. We're just waiting for a setup now before we check anything. That's all.
I just grabbed the pain, I'm really going for an even code. Jesus took the reins, cause God ain't going out of season though. You can join our table, I know it's no fun to eat alone. Even if you feel alone, you don't gotta be alone. Greatness in the making, so I never got the stress on me. No use at the table in the presence of my enemy. Life is just resting, yeah, I know what you said to me. They can't try to table me, cause I know that you bled for me, yeah. You can't mix, no, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side. Help me listen and wait on your time. You can't miss, no, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side. Help me listen and wait on your time. Yes, I'm the one that you love. Grace from above. Gave me back my life, you brought me out of the mud. Yes, you're the one. Grace from above. Give me back my life, you brought me out of the mud. Yeah, I spun all my pieces inside. Nothing gonna shake me, but they've been tried. I know that I'm saving you, it's winning time. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I need. Ain't no going to sleep. I surrender to freedom. You going to lead. That's why I'm going in peace. That's why I'm sowing the seeds. Cause you show me my home and you open the lease. Been here, but it's time to let loose. I'm just praying God can use me. Jesus to the way and the truth. Don't matter what around me is moving. Nah. Yes, I'm the one that you love. Grace from above. Give me back my life. You brought me out of the mud. Yes, you're the one. Grace from above. Give me back my life. You brought me out. Yes, I'm the one that you love. Grace from above. Give me back my life. You brought me out of the mud. Yes, you're the one. Grace from above. Give me back my life. You brought me out of the mud. Pieces inside. Nothing gonna shake me, but they've been tried. I know that I'm saving you. It's
Yeah, Jawad. Repeat this song.
I just grabbed the pain, I'm really going for an even code. Jesus took the reins, cause God ain't going out of season though. You can join our table, I know it's no fun to eat alone. Even if you
While EM is asking you about NAS.
stress on me. No use at the table in the presence of my enemies.
What do you think about that?
But I know what you said to me. They can't try to table me, cause I know that you bled for me. Yeah.
Let's see. You talking about uptrend line or downtrend line? I don't know about the trend line stuff, but looks to me like it's just stuck in a range at the moment. And I don't think it's going to break out of the range during London session. It's such a huge range.
You're welcome, Ahmed Samim. Absolutely, Zay.
When the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, God, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. We say who does it? Say what I feel is the fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, lost the momentum, said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is, and I'm not one to trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay. Let the incense float out and defenses go down. Let the pot get big, if I lost my chips, I'll process it and say it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist when the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. That's the risk we take, it's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist when the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take, it's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
This week is NFP week. Yep. But I can't wait for November.
Oh, we got FOMC as well.
Oh, we do? On Wednesday?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Damn. Is it London gonna be even more dry? Now GG going to our setup. Yeah. See if she's freaking gonna get there. But in order for this to get there, we need to break below this previous low. I said below, above, I mean. If we can break and close above, then we should get back to that supply.
Man, Abe mixes up stuff all the time, but it's lucky he doesn't mix it up when he like enters a trade. It's like, I'm in buys. Oops, I mean sells, guys.
Yep, I didn't do that one. Wait, did I say gold just now? I don't think I mentioned.
Shit, I don't even know. I can't
I don't
remember.
think I mentioned the pair. I think he's actually tapping that major. He's tapping this week, I think. Let's see. Yep. But I'm not checking it if he doesn't freaking get to that supply. It's not my setup. Yeah, that's what it did, but we needed to tap that supply. Yeah, we still need 19 more likes to get to 100. Wow. It's so crazy how, not just even on YouTube, but let's just go with YouTube. It's so crazy how online, like making money, or let's just say finance channels on YouTube, they did least favorites on YouTube. Shit, the top YouTuber is not even about finance. It's just entertaining you. That's it. Beyonce can't even compete with Mr. Beast on YouTube. Can you imagine that?
Really?
Huh?
Really?
Mr. Beast has like 200 and something million subscribers on YouTube.
And how many does Beyonce have?
I don't think Beyonce has that.
Oh shit.
Let me see.
That's crazy.
Let me see if I'm right, but I don't think Beyonce has 200 million subscribers on YouTube. We're about to find out. Beyonce has 26 million.
Oh my god. Damn. That's not even close. Holy shit.
Man, nowhere close.
That's crazy. I've only ever seen like maybe like 2 minutes of one of Mr. Beast's videos, and I was like, that's annoying. I don't want to listen to this guy talk anymore. I turned it off.
I mean, sometimes, it's good because, for entertainment purposes, but for the most part, it's not for me.
Who either do amazing things, super talented, or super, like beneficial, to give out lots of great stuff like, like health advice or financial advice, whatever, stuff that helps you in life.
Yeah.
And those people, they don't get like much of anything compared to these people who do nothing.
Yeah.
Like no real skills, no real, just make stupid shit like pranks or whatever.
Yeah, true. It's because in this world, a lot of people's mindset is all about 9 to 5. We have more people in this world that no matter what you tell them, no matter what you say to them, their 9 to 5 is it. That's the way they view success. And you gotta work in 9 to 5 for you to become successful. That's why. So they will do that, and then as long as they get entertained, they're good. Even in this industry too. Like in this industry, it's like that. A lot of traders, they just want to be entertained. If you look at the channels that get the views in regards to trading, their channel is not it's not boring. It's entertaining. They're very good at marketing. They want to see that. People's mindset, they want to see the flashy cars, the flashy wristwatches, fancy mansion. That's what they want to see. They don't want to see all this. This is boring. They want to see the lies. They want to see the freaking fake lifestyle. That's what they want to see. They don't want to see all this boring stuff. And until those people's mindset changes, until their mindset changes, that's when we're gonna have more people becoming successful in regards to trading.
Yeah, too many people, they got life backwards. They put priorities all in the wrong areas.
Yeah. Even like, for example, there is this trader that I definitely do respect. His name is Trader Nick. I'm sure most of you definitely know who he is. He has almost, I think he has about 400k subscribers. He has that many subscribers, but if you look at his views, you'll be like, what the hell? You have 400k subscribers and you be getting 3k, 5k, 10k views. Like, damn, what are your subscribers doing? You know, that's how it is, because it doesn't, you know, show all this freaking fancy stuff, houses, cars, money. Doesn't get that many views. So that's how it is, man. That's why I tell you guys most of the time, like in this industry, you have two types of people. You have marketers and you have traders. You're either going to be a marketer or you're going to be a trader. You know, make your choice. So, the marketers, they're never going to do this. Nope. Because they're marketers. Now the traders, yeah, they'll do this with you guys on YouTube because they got no problem with it. They are the real ones. Now the marketers, I'm not saying they're bad traders. I'm not saying that. But once they start doing this, the real result is gonna show. That's all
I'm gonna say ICT is a bad trader. I saw that video on ICT. He ain't a good trader, man.
Don't do it. The ICT people will come for you. Don't do it. I'm telling you now.
Man, my computer's gonna get hacked tomorrow.
Man, when I first started YouTube, oh man, I mean like trading live on YouTube early 2021, man, ICT traders almost made me quit. Man.
What happened?
Because I used to trade, you know, breakouts, and then sometimes I would take like break and retest, right? Or sometimes I would just take the breakout once price closes below the 30-minute major support. I wait for that candle to close, and then if the next candle, if it forms bullish, right, whether it has a bottom wick or not, I'm gonna wait and anticipate a possible flip. Once it flips, I'm taking a sell below the previous candle. And man, they used to be like, you suck. You buying, you're selling low. You're supposed to sell high, buy low, blah, blah, blah. Man, I don't even remember the stuff they be saying.
Damn. He's been around a long time then.
Who? ICT?
Yeah, ICT.
Yeah. First time Heard about ICT. Yeah, I think it was in 2020, late 2020.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, that was the first time I heard about that. But like 2021, man, that dude, ICT, they just kept on popping everywhere. Even breakout trader switched. Like, oh no, I'm going to learn this ICT. Rumor says that he invented the silver bullet security werewolves. And also another thing about trading is that you have two types of mentors. You have the ones that are good at teaching, like man, they can really teach this, but they can't trade. It's weird, but it's the truth. And you have mentors that can actually trade, but they're not good at teaching it. Right? Not saying, they're not both types of mentors are not profitable, they are, but one is just better than the other. You have the good teachers that are not good at trading, and you have the mentors that are good at trading, but they're not good at teaching it. Me, I feel like I'm more of a good trader. I don't think I'm good at teaching it. I don't know, except if you guys are the ones that can, let me know, like, which one am I better at?
I think you're better at trading, but you're pretty good at teaching.
Yeah. Mm. That's really how life is. If you take a look at dang, why can't I remember his name? Damn, I can't remember his name. So he's a sport dude. So he's a coach now at one of these colleges. I think, is it Texas A&M? I can't remember. But he played football, played baseball, and three. But among all those three, he was only good at one. Like, he was so freaking good at it. He can do the other ones, but he was only like very good at one. That's how it is. You can only be good at one thing. You can still do other stuff, but you'll be great at just one thing. Once you figure it out, man, that's it. You need to focus more on that part.
I like it when if you talk the talk, I need you to walk the walk. So when I listen to you in the webinars, it's like I learn from there, but I also learn from watching you trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it.
If I'm just watching a bunch of videos of, let's say, ICT just teaching it, it's like, man, I gotta see it in action. I gotta see it live as it's happening, how you're setting it up, how you're managing it, and all that stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the main reason why, trading lives like this is good. I know Akaspero, like, she's trying to freaking drop without tapping the supply, which is what she did on freaking Friday. It was so annoying. I hate it when that happens, especially when I've been freaking patient waiting, and then you just fall from freaking random place. Could be annoying sometimes. Edwin, look at the one below. Look at the 30-minute demand below the one you're talking about. And you'll see the huge difference. That's why I'm not using it. Yep, there you go. And look at it at the higher time frame as well. What's the selling zone? We're waiting for us to tap the supply. 1 hour supply, that's what I have it on now. 1 hour supply. I just needed to tap either the 1 hour, 30 minute, or the 15-minute supply. That's what I need, which is all in this area. Oh man, come on, man. Yeah, gold. See, we're probably not gonna be able to take gold these sessions, but I'm gonna be New York. Because this thing is dead, no volume at all. I think did you take a look at the higher time frame? Yeah, what did you see? You see here on the 4 hour, the 4 hour demand that was from here is not high probability because look at these wicks here. All those wicks right there made it invalid. There is no gap. So you do not have a high probability 4 hour demand setup here. But you have it down here. Got this candle with a gap, and you got another one with gaps as well. Even though it was tapped here, right? So it could come back down to possibly a 30-minute supply. I mean, demand or a 1 hour supply. Right now it's at a 30-minute demand. All right, Edwin. So even on the 4 hour, there's no valid demand right there. If it doesn't come down to this demand for me to take buys, that means it has to break and close above this supply, because now that means there is a possible trend change. Even though overall on the higher time frame, GJ is still bullish, especially the daily, but 4 hour and below we have a bearish momentum, and we'll see what happens with that. That's why I tell you guys, don't just focus on structure, right? Don't just focus on structure, also take a look at the momentum. You're welcome.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows and the sword.
The 4 hour candle is about to open, so we'll see what happens.
Just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, now season the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars and Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be a shield. Yeah.
In the fiercest battle, I'll defend you from all these arrows and the sword. I will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your
Thank you, Evans.
Said hello the moment your friend hits your phone. Dying to tell you how I feel before you go. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. If you had to wait up for me, would you wait? Booked down on the road, would you be my AAA? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, you're my wheels and call me castaway. If I bought you roses, babe, what would you say?
Alright, new file I can do just opened. See what happens.
Breathing slow, feeling your hands tied to my arm.
The 4 hour never even closed below.
It's a dream, 'cause baby, I'm still on. We don't have to go out, I'd rather just hang out, get you on a
Yeah, because rejected it. Well, at least this time we crossed it.
Yeah.
But you're still talking on the phone. Maybe it's time that I should finally let you go.
So this thing is pushing, see if we can get to the 30.
You are the peace I know when I'm feeling alone. No other place I go. Just keep leading me home. You are the peace I know, and I'm never too far gone. You are the peace I know when I'm feeling alone. No other place I go. Just keep leading me home. You are the peace I know. All I want is just your loving conversation. I keep running 'cause you're filling me with patience. You're enough and I can trust.
I'm missing nice trades. Oh. What's NAS doing, Anton? Don't do NAS though in London. Let me take a look at it though, since it's NAS. I think we got volume now, guys.
Oh, okay. Gold's starting to move.
Yeah, she just didn't give a setup, but she's starting to move. I don't see a setup on. I don't see a setup on that, so I'm good to do for an hour. I don't see a setup on NAS. For me to take NAS, this range has to break. Yeah, this range has to break. Oh, except if we come back to this demand here, I'll look for buys. Let's see. Or even this right here, the 30-minute, yeah. Definitely here for buys. See if you're just gonna break this up,
It looks pretty strong.
Yeah, it does.
All those sellers must be like, oh shit, it's flipping.
Just imagine if you took a sell below this low. Right, just imagine if you took a sell below this low right here.
Oh, I bet a lot of people did.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's a sweaty bullet. The way the 4-hour close, it's a possible indication for buys.
especially with the strength, man.
Yeah, because like you said, pointed out earlier, well, the 4-hour did not close below that support.
Yep.
Yeah. For buyers, we just need this to freaking close above. Like we close strongly above it. If the wick closes above and the body does not, still gonna wait, that's not a closure above. Once you get all these up here, this minor resistance, that's why I needed to close above that. 181,452. Close above that, then we look for buys. Yeah, and then at that point, for example, let's say we have another bullish closure above 181,452, then this is going to be our first 15-minute demand. We just have to wait for price to come back down there and retest it, and then we'll be in buys. So for now, hey, you might still sell. Just wait and see.
It's a waiting game.
Yep, it is.
I can't imagine GJ not wicking out the top here.
Me too. Like, fake buyers in.
Yeah. Stop out sellers, faking buyers, do everything.
Yeah. Snap out entry sellers.
The daily time frame on GJ is still bullish, right?
Yeah, still bullish overall. But the 4-hour though, the way it closed, like I said earlier, it's an indication that we could actually buy because it failed to close below that major support again. It's not really major, it's minor actually, because it's not it's the swing low. So we failed to break it again, just like we've been doing in the past. We failed to do that again. So that right there means there is a chance that we're gonna actually buy. But at the same time, we need more confirmations. And my final confirmation to look for buys would be if we break above 181,452. As long as we got a body closing above it, not the wick, then we can look for buys. For now, we could still fall.
Yeah, that support was the 2 weeks low.
Huh?
I'm saying that support it failed to break. Was like 2 weeks low support.
Yeah. Every time it got there, it failed. It's no valid supply up here. I'm gonna wait here till 5. Shit, 5 that'll be 2 hours until New York open.
Oh God.
What happened?
London's gonna, make us wait to the point where we're in New York every day.
Because now, even if they spin grades, I don't think you can freaking come back down to this demand before 5. I don't know.
Oh man.
Hey, this candle has no button wick, so we'll see what it's gonna do. If I'm gonna look for sales again, it will be up here. Let's start with 30 minutes. And if you remember on Friday, this was the supply we was waiting for GJ to get to on Friday, and it never got there.
God.
And he never got there, and it just bang, fell. So annoying. This is the best supply right here up there, because we got gaps there. We just need this to close close above it. If we close back inside this range, and it's back to sales. It was so nice to be moon.
You will never cease to be beside me. 'Cause I'm not dependent on what I see. I can always trust you know what I need. And now I know that
If I'm looking to trade NAS, if this candle closes above this minor resistance that was formed, simply gonna need this to come back to this demand. That's our first 15-minute demand right there. As long as we test this, we test that, I'll be looking to take buys. That's what I'll be looking for with NAS.
Take buys in
If this current candle closes bullish, New York, yeah, as long as we do not get back up to that swing high, then we gonna look for buys.
You'll take buys in New York on NAS.
Yeah, possibly.
But if it happens now, you take them now.
Nah. You gotta follow your plan. That's a nice amount together. Check
And
gold.
GJ's gone bullish.
It's looking like it. I said check gold. Let's see. Yeah, we need to go to, hey, tap this up by. If it breaks above this supply, man, forget about buys. I mean, sells. Good. That means gold has gone back bullish. Got no clean supply here at all. See how this kind of closes in 8 minutes.
You know, I don't have that candle on my broker with that candle, that long bearish candle.
This
No,
one?
yes, I don't have that candle. Actually, I have it on the other way around.
Like it's bullish.
It's bullish on my side, but from the bottom.
Oh yeah, me too.
So you may not be seeing the supply there in 15 minutes because of that candle, King.
Oh, I don't have it either. It's not even a strong bullish candle either. It's bullish.
I've noticed with TradingView, this broker, Forex.com, it doesn't have the same, how do you say, like when the next day rolls over, it doesn't look the same as the brokers. It like doesn't have gaps. Sometimes it has these weird candles on it and stuff.
Let me see Wanda. What does Wanda look like? Why can't I add it? Oh look. Yep, my booklet looks exactly like this. Okay.
So you see that 15 minutes supply?
This one? It's not valid. Let me see what it looks like on the 30. And the 30 is not valid either.
Not valid.
Between this candle and this, there is no gap. Do you understand what I mean? Or you want me to explain?
Yeah, the gap is just further down.
So you want me to explain or are you good?
I see the gap further down.
Oh, okay. Okay. Right. So you didn't have a valid supply there until you get here. You get a high probability supply there. So that's the zone. So you think GJ might even go to 183? Supply looks clean there. 183.
183, damn, that's so far away.
Yep, it's not. That main supply there is not valid. You gotta go check on the 15. Yeah, 15 minute, yes, for sure. Right here. So it will be a 15-minute supply at 183. If we get to 183 and it does not hold, then it's going up. It's going to continue pushing out. I don't know if it's going to get there though.
I don't know. That's pretty far away.
Yeah.
Think about that when it gets there, you know?
I don't think it's going to get to 183. How you have a dream? That's funny. Oh man, that was a good joke. So that was a dream. Oh, Safia wants me to explain what I said. There's no valid supply there. Okay, so real quick. Now, you see this bullish candle here? Now, this is this supply here. From the low of this candle, can then add it to draw it all the way to the top of that bearish candle. Now, this should have been the supply. Now you see between this bearish candle and also this bearish candle did not break below the previous bullish candle, number one, and then number two, the next bearish candle, right, flipped and tapped into this previous minor resistance and support. Now we do not have a gap between this candle and the previous bearish candle. That's why right here it is not valid. It's not valid there until we get here. Now where we tap into right now, you get a supply here, but it's probably a 5-minute supply. Yep, it's a 5-minute supply right there. Now, since we broke above this on the 15-minute, as long as we break above here, because you get a resistance here now, right? You get a resistance here. If now that we closed above, I don't see all this holding at all. GJ should now push up. I hope that makes sense. So now, all I need GJ to do now is to retest this demand here. Go ahead. What are you gonna say?
King, can you please also check the 1 hour supply?
1 hour supply. Okay, wait.
On GJ.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
Yep, you got it. You got it there. You got it there. It's there on the 1 hour. But in order for me to use a higher time frame supply, it also has to be a valid supply or demand of the lower time frame as well.
Oh, I see.
Man, you know what?
What?
Technically, you could take a buy. Like, if you're trading that kind of support resistance, you could technically take a buy once it closes back inside there, and then the bearish candle can't close below.
Yeah. Yeah. See gold. What's gold doing? Nothing. Gold is doing nothing. Man, recently we've not been taking trades down in London.
Literally can't take any.
Now this is what we waited for. What we waiting for.
Wake me up when it's New York, I guess.
and it's kind of looking like it. Oh, it actually, this previous candle actually has a bottom wick. Is that a steep bottom wick? But it's got it.
Oh yeah, man, it's small, but yeah.
I was looking at the order flow charts yesterday, and I'm like, damn, you're gonna have to learn this freaking chart itself.
Yeah, it's hard. And you gotta be like eyes on that shit, watching it, like the numbers and everything.
Yeah. Alright, bro. Shit, I'll stick to my candlesticks.
Yeah.
You're welcome, Safa. Yep. According to the 15-minute, now we get a major high here, and we got a major low here. I wouldn't say we really have a major low here yet until this actually continues bullish. Then we have a major low here. There is a possibility that we can get all the way back up to the major 15-minute major high. There is a possibility. But I don't think it's gonna get there though. The only reason why I'm saying we might actually get there is because overall, especially the daily, weekly GJ is still bullish. So right now, this could be the bullish continuation we're seeing.
Head and shoulders on the daily.
Huh?
GJ, head and shoulders on the daily. Scrunch it up.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it doesn't look so good when you scrunch it up. Okay, it looks a little better there.
Not really.
I knew you were gonna say that. Every time I say something looks like a head and shoulders, you say it's not. Man.
I mean,
what the hell's a head and shoulders?
So, okay, so you have, now let me see if I can draw this. So you have head, the shoulder has to be higher than, no, so you have your head right here in the middle, then your left shoulder to the left. The head has to be higher than the left shoulder, and then you have, damn, and then you have the body. Yep, oh, yep, there you go, Edwin.
Yeah, isn't that head and shoulder?
Doesn't look, I don't think I do it well.
That
Kinda, but I don't like it. It's not clean enough. You can say,
I don't know.
you can say you have the left here, head here, right? And then you got this. But
Oh no,
it's
I mean
not-
like this big one.
Oh, okay.
And then it like sort of looks like what the base of it.
Okay, yeah, yes, you're right. Okay, now I see it. This, you see, you just got to point it out. I thought you were talking about this area head. That's what I was looking at.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Yeah, you got the left head and you got kind of this right here. But it should be over here. It's not really like clean. That's the thing. It's not really clean, but this looks better though. This looks better compared to this right here to the right. It's not clean enough. Damn, look at my drawing. My drawing sucks. I should have finished fine arts in high school. Man, if you have to know how to draw to be a trader, man, shit. I would have been like, man, fuck this.
Back to drawing viewer.
If it's like, if trading, man, if you gotta know how to draw, man, I would have been quit a long time ago. Yeah, alright, well, there's no way I'm gonna make money doing this. Got to draw? I know, count me out.
Who's our artist? Is it Logan?
Yeah, it's Logan. Yeah, it's Logan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, he'll be the one taking over.
I know how to draw. Well, we don't take NAS though in London. Let's imagine you suck at trading and you want to become a freaking, I said trading, you suck at drawing and you want to become a freaking graphics, what do they call it? Is it graphics editor? Graphics design, yep. You want to learn graphics design, man. It's not your calling. You just wasting your time.
I thought you said nothing's impossible, man.
Oh man, some things are impossible. Some things are impossible. Because as humans, man, God gave everyone a gift, or you can say a talent. You just have to know what it is. You know what you're good at. And what you're good at is something that comes to you naturally. You might need, like, let me say, enhancement, right? When it comes to your talent or gift, but at the same time, it's something that comes to you naturally. Like, you just don't struggle. You don't struggle. That's what your talent or gift is. Is it a computer can do the drawing for graphic design?
Oh yeah, you can do AI. Just type that shit in, throw some pictures in there, and then tell it to make something.
You took gold buys off of the 5-minute demand since it was also a 1 hour zone. Oh, you're saying that to Anton? US 30 seconds supply and demand.
Damn it, when you just said gold was like a good sell just like 10 minutes ago. Bro, you flip-flopping all over the place.
Oh yep, our designer is back. Morgan said AI open art can generate anything you want. Scary. Yeah. The way AI is going, man. Because with this AI thing, you can use it for two things. You can use it for evil and you can use it for bad. I mean, evil.
You just said evil and bad? Damn. What the hell?
Man, leave me alone. I meant to say you can use it for evil and good stuff. So AI is up to no good. I mean, it's good, but man, it can be used for evil too, man. Just imagine you freaking have a AI robot doing everything for you at your house, cooking for you and stuff. Man, the AI robot might get mad one day and just poison your food. And you're dead. Like, you might get mad and freaking punch you in the face, like, straight to emergency room for you, if you're lucky. Yep, like iRobot, yep. Man, most of these movies, man, they be telling us something. They be telling us, but we don't pay attention. We think it's just movies. As far back as the early 90s, they made movies where they were freaking cars flying in the sky. And look at it now. They already approved one in freaking California. A flying car. They told us as far back in the early 90s. And it's here now. And this AI stuff too. It's far back. Now it's here. In Dubai there's a police robot? Wow.
Oh, damn.
Facial recognition for wanted criminals. Wow. Mark Zuckerberg interview when I was human, whether I am human. Which indicator used for time zone? This one is called market sessions. Market sessions. What about AUDCHF? We don't trade that pair. You're going for 1 to 2 in gold. Huh? I hope you get it, even though I disagree with you. I don't know where your entry is though. Oh, you might get it. If your entry is here, you might get it. Yeah, stop loss there. I don't know where your entry is, but you might get it. He said he took it over 1 hour demand though. I said if you're buying to 1 hour previous resistance, that's probably what you mean. You entered on the 5 minutes, okay. Yeah, I don't see us trading GG today. Alright. Zoom, I'll see you guys though in New York.
Alright, thanks, Ed.
You're welcome. YouTube, thank you guys for hopping on. God bless you all. All my links is down below in the description. If you want to trade London session and New York session with us every day, private Discord, which is also my mentorship program, link is down below in the description. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. God bless you guys, and I'm out. Peace.
Recording stopped.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last